Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have admin access and the device serial or IMEI. This lets you query the MDM. Next, check the MDM server and enrollment profile for expired certificates or revoked tokens. Fix those first. Once done, back up user data and note installed apps and account ID so you can restore after reset. Make sure the device is online and connected to Wi-Fi or cellular. Without connectivity, removal or unenrollment will often fail. You now unenroll the device via the MDM console. Locate the device, then issue an unenroll or full wipe command and watch job status. If the device is tied to DEP/ABM, remove or reassign it to release factory reset restrictions. Once commands complete, revoke lost mode and clear activation lock tokens. These blocks prevent factory reset. If commands fail, check push certificate renewal and retry. Intermittent failures often mean the device didn't receive the unenroll callback. You perform the factory reset only after confirming unenroll succeeded. Use settings reset or recovery mode if the UI is blocked. After reset, restore backups and re-enroll the device with a clean profile, making sure certificates and policies are valid so the device won't be immediately locked again. If the reset still fails, inspect the MDM push certificate, DEP/ABM linkage, and whether the device can reach the MDM. Often the root cause is an expired.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.